teacher. Like some things in so I subtracted in this side. Learning into something subtracting
Some of the things I love about Durger, especially for the Pre-K program, I think Durger does an excellent job transitioning kids from preschool. So she was in a 3-hour-day preschool prior to coming here. I think Durger makes it fun, accessible, and a great place to learn.
I'm a chef.
You get to be a chef.
Hi, I'm Emiria. My daughter Ivana Andrews goes to Harper, and we are here because she got an award for her math cooking and academic award. I like Harper. Well, I love Harper because I was here as a kid, and they taught me really good things.
Durger did an excellent job balancing academics and playtime, especially for the Pre-K program. When we toured, the kids were having fun, but there was also clearly, they're learning, but they're also able to play and rest and learn. So, yes, I have a son in 1st grade, and he started here in Pre-K. One of the things that I felt Pre-K did an excellent job of was preparing him for kindergarten, because it's a jump going from Pre-K to kindergarten. And
What do you love?
I love pastries.
As a new parent looking, one of the things that was attractive to me about Durger is one of the reasons is the location. We live in a neighborhood nearby, so that was a check plus for us. And then when we got to tour the campus, we were just blown away by how clean it is, easy to navigate, and how safe it felt, but also letting the kids feel a little bit of independence walking around, and that was a good feeling. We also toured with Miss Newman, the principal, and the kids greeting her in the hallway, they knew her name, like that was a good thing to see too, that the student-teacher, principal-student relationships were clearly important to the Durger community, and that stood out to us, and we are happy to be a Durger family.